QuickerWeb. QuickerWeb's business email service is the best available. You've got other choices on the market, but the nice thing about our services is they're all based in Japan, very fast, and great protection from malicious software, antivirus, and so forth. Anyways, today I'd like to actually show you one way to access your mail that's non-browser based. If I open my Safari here, you can see, of course, you can access your um, business email by going to QuickerWeb. If you type in the shortcut bqf.me, that will take you to the business email site, the QuickerWeb website. But when you get there, if you type biz, or if you click on the biz login, that will take you to the place, and then you just type in your whatever your account is, and you log in this way. But there's another way to do it, which is called Zimbra Desktop. And Zimbra Desktop is a app that is downloadable. So if you type in download Zimbra Desktop, as you can see, many people are doing that. You go here, and that will allow you to download an app that will be able to take all of your stuff offline. So as you can see here, offline email client. You go here, download whatever version you're running. If you're running Mac or Windows or Linux, whatever you like, you can download the app. So you can download it from here by clicking on Document and select what you want, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Anyway, I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to go here on my Mac that I'm using today, and I'm going to type in Zimbra Desktop. And then up comes that app. As you can see down here on the bottom right hand side of the screen, the app is firing up, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your account on Zimbra Desktop. Your domain will change depending on your company name, of course, or if you're a personal user using the BQF domains, of course that would be the same. But let me show you quickly how that works as we fire up the Zimbra Desktop. As you can see here, it works with various services, but we use it with QuickerWeb. So click here on Add a New Account, and then under the account you select the type of account, and as you can see there's various accounts, but you select Zimbra, which is the backend servers in our data center. Then name the account whatever you like. I'm going to call mine BQF, and then I'll put in my demo account information. Then I'll put in my password, which is the one that you got. Now note, if you did have a password sent to you, normally it will default to that you need to change it. So I recommend that before you start setting up the service, you go here, log in, and change your password once. And it will the administrators here will usually give you a prompt to change the password. So okay, next is you put in the incoming server, which is, may vary, but in this case I'm using zmail.ineo.net. For security, you select SSL, Secure Socket Level, which means that it's encrypted between this machine and the data center, so people aren't reading your mail or hacking you. Okay, and then the next thing you do, depending on how much content is in your site, this might take a while, it may take nothing, but you click on Validate. And then when you're validating there, you can see the message that says it will take some time to validate, and then you go to Launch Desktop. Very, very easy to set up, and exactly the same as what you're used to seeing on the webmail. So if you just give it a shot, you can see it's got all the address book, the calendar, everything. You'll see mail trickling in here in a second as it's there you go. If you've seen the other if you've seen the other video that we've given on how to use it's basically a tour of Zimbra, you'll see that I had put these markings to tag my messages and so forth. But everything, the address book, the calendar, everything. So when you're traveling on the airplane, on the train, whatever you're doing, all of this stuff is going to sync up. So all of this stuff is syncing up, and if you can even add another account by going here. If you've got a personal account on QuickerWeb and a business account, you can always go here, add another account, and then you select the type of account it is, which is Zimbra, and you are good to go. So that is very, very easy, and this is a great way to sync and use your email wherever you are offline, and even online. So I use both this as well as my Zimbra browser-based Zimbra, and have multiple dual displays. It's really quite convenient. Anyway, that's it for today. If you have any questions, please contact our technical support team, the Tribe support team, at QuickerWeb.com. The short address is bqf.me. We look forward to talking to you. Thank you so much.